1. Which of these is a noun? A. Run. B. Happy. C. Apple. D. Quickly. Answer. C. Apple. Apple is a thing, and things are nouns. 2. Which sentence is correct? A. He go to school every day. B. He goes to school every day. C. He going to school every day. D. He went school every day. Answer. B. He goes to school every day. Goes is the correct form of the verb for the subject, he. 3. Choose the correct article. I have dash, orange, A, B, an, C, the, D, none. Answer. B, an, is used before words starting with a vowel sound, like orange. 4. Which of these is a verb? A. Blue. B. Run. C. Slowly. D. Beautiful. Answer. B. Run. Run is an action, and actions are verbs. 5. Which sentence uses an adjective? A. She walks fast. B. It is a sunny day. C. The dog ran quickly. D. I can run faster. Answer. B. It is a sunny day. Sunny describes the noun day, and words that describe nouns are adjectives. 6. What is the subject of this sentence? The dog is barking. A. Dog. B. Barking. C. The dog. D. Is barking. Answer. C. The dog. The subject is who or what the sentence is about, which is the dog. 7. Which word is a preposition? A. Under. B. Eat. C. Happiness. D. Blue. Answer. A. Under. Under shows the relationship between two things, like location, which is the job of a preposition. 8. Which sentence is in the past tense? A. She is cooking dinner. B. She cooks dinner. C. She cooked dinner. D. She will cook dinner. Answer. C. She cooked dinner. Cooked is the past tense of the verb cook. 9. Choose the correct form of the verb. They dash, playing in the park. A. Is. B. am. C. are. D. be. Answer. C. are. They are is the correct form because they is plural. 10. Which sentence is a question? A. I am happy today. B. Are you happy today? C. She is happy today. D. They are happy today. Answer. B. Are you happy today? A sentence that asks something is a question. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell notification so that you never miss on new updates. Have a nice day.